It's a rainy day, cloudy and rainy days. This Saturday is August 9 at my storage. So my plan is to move out to save my money because it's low today. So we need to remove all of this or broken just to have a space in the house. Okay, so hopefully we can finish this in 7 days until next Saturday. So for me, we need to throw some other materials. Okay, like this. Like this, I throw this. And this, we need some other materials like this. I need this, and this other project. Okay, and the others are going to throw in the garbage bin. Okay, so 2, 4, 5, 2, 2, 4, 5, 8, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So 20 projects plus materials. Okay, so that's it. So let's see how it fits in my vehicle. Okay, so we have lots of space. Only a box, a nonsense box, but it helps. It's easy to one space to another. Yeah. That's, oh, hopefully it's not useless. Okay, so we keep this, put in my bag. Just try if there's a chance to use this. Okay, may others come to repair or restore my project. Okay, so that one's of the last take. Also, this too is heavy and big. So let's see. Another one, we broke this. Remove this screw, the legs, and that one for the different tables. That's my previous in the past few years. My projects in the house and the other apartment. Okay. That's my design style. Okay. See, a lot of TV stand, different tables. Okay. leather bags. Cheche pureche. The lumber is expensive. So let's see what is the best for this. Maybe this, I don't need this. Because but that 2x6, 2x4, 2x4 and 2x6 and 1x4 can use this garbage. Okay, garbage. And this one maybe it helps for winter. That's the most important. Save your money. That's why I use these blogs to save your money. Okay. So if you have a storage, a nonsense stuffs like this, but because I like this passion to build or make a table, and then I sell it just to make money. That's why this is my hobby, to make a table to make money to help for the bills. That's why I make this blog or video, just to help you to make money in the summer. There's the Holy Bible here. Okay. Another Bible here. This is 100%. Maybe I use this also. Yes, finally. This cardboard for protection of the vehicle. Air protection. This is for the feed bottle. get some basement. Exhaust pa. Small stop for now. Small stops for now. Go down this. Authentic design. Materials. I not need this. Why I put it here, right? So everything is here is very important to me. I can make money for this, but the problem is slow. Okay, so I have no choice to move out this place just to save money because of slow at work. Okay. Bagay talaga naman. Siguro kahit mga 3-4 na araw kaya natin eh. Kung pipilitin ko wala lang kasi lalagyanan eh. Tapos na saka na problema kung may lalagyanan eh. Tapos na sana problema. Okay. So, this absolutely garbage. Okay. What else? Sidewinder model. Bomba eléctrica. So after we come back, we take some small project to put at the back of the house. And the last one is the bigger, okay? It's a 21 project including this. Okay? So the ABS and the biggest, that's the last one day, okay, until next Saturday. So the small piece only until tonight, okay? The heavy and the big leave for now, and the important woods stay for now, like the longest or the heavy. The nonsense wood like this, but I like this to design on the top of my table, but the problem, I need to sacrifice this. See, and that's a good lumber. Brand new lumber, used lumber, stock lumber. See, I need that. So that's life, that's my passion. I want to get busy to make money. That's why if you have can you restore your own project before you sell it to make money this summer? Do it if your knowledge and ideas to make your product own business in online selling. You can do this like this. Fix it, paint it, sell it. Okay. That's the best good. Okay. I leave for now. Other unnecessary. Okay. So this vlog, I want to show you how to save your money and how to make money this summer for your stock. Instead throwing to the garbage or donate, you can use it your talents or passion how to make money this summer. Okay, so if you know how to paint, restoring or repair, or in the carpentry, you can do that on behalf of your knowledge. Okay, so that's all guys now. We're going back later for the other stuff, the small stuff, just to remove until night. Okay, so see you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video for this week. Okay, subscribe and click the button notification bell for upcoming latest video. Okay, see you guys. So I will repost this so that our customer are interested to sell, to buy it, this masterpiece. Okay, see you guys. That's all.